the biggest truck ever made in the world. It can carry up to 10,000 tons of load during the daily operations. This is BelAZ 75710, one of the most specific engineering marvel. It's not just big, it's enormous. It's perfect for working with the huge payloads in the biggest mines. This extraordinary massive mass of metal directs all mining operations. The BelAZ 75710 is 360 tons non-loads. Its weight is equivalent to adult blue whales, 25 bus and 250 cars. Working steadily for hours, even days, carrying tons of cargo in heavy weather conditions, no one doubts it works brilliantly. Besides working flawlessly, the world's largest truck also boasts incredibly powerful mechanics. This doesn't just move, it's a vital important for the part of the work sites. Imagine being a worker standing inside and operates this huge truck for hours, even all day, without stopping. Now, consider how the wheels transform people into tiny toy humans. That's how small it is. See how small a normal person looks next to this giant. Now, let's all evaluate this huge device together. The BelAZ 75710 truck, one of the engineering marvels in the world, was produced by the best Belarusian engineers in 2013. This enormous truck, named BelAZ 75710, is 20.6 meters long, 8.16 meters high, and 9.87 meters wide. Using one large truck to lift loads at once instead of several smaller trucks is more efficient in terms of work time and labor. This is a major factor in the mining industry because it determines the cost and sustainability of materials transported per unit of time. Unlike other trucks, BelAZ 75710 is able to carry approximately 450 tons of load at once. That's equivalent to loading 300 cars on its back. It can carry 50 times more load than normal trucks. The truck is supported by 8 tires. Each tire is 4 meters high and weighs 5.3 tons, even heavier than an adult elephant. The tires are in pairs. They help distribute the truck's physical pressure. In total, these massive wheels, weighing 5.3 times 8 equals 42.4 tons, propel the enormous machine forward. Of course, a single engine would never be enough to move such a heavy truck. Therefore, expert engineers installed 2 huge engines, each with 16 cylinders, inside the machine. Each engine has 4,600 horsepower. This is equivalent to the total power of 9,200 horses. Therefore, the truck operates powerfully, allowing it to transport the heavy loads smoothly from one point to another. No one doubts the truck's power. From the outside, the BelAZ 75710 looks as tall as a 4-story building, so you might think it's cumbersome, but you'd be wrong. The engineers also considered the machine's speed. And that's where the surprising part comes in. This mechanical beast can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour under load, and it can be actively used at this speed for about 15 hours. This gives it a significant advantage over its competitors. A machine that travels such a distance will naturally have a large fuel tank. It has a 5,600-liter diesel tank, and the tank of this huge machine needs to be refilled every 100 kilometers. Refueling the vehicle with an ordinary pump might be very time-consuming. Therefore, high-pressure refueling systems are used in BelAZ 75710 work sites. This saves time. Such a large truck operates approximately 18 to 20 hours a day in modern fields, mining facilities, and other areas where it transports goods. With this work rate, it continuously and actively transports approximately 8,000 tons of material daily and 250,000 tons monthly, while also requiring an additional 150,000 liters of gasoline per month. Let's also take a look at the working conditions of this enormous truck. Even in temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius, it flawlessly carries tens of tons of cargo from point to point across Siberia, performing logistical tasks without any problems. It is equipped with an advanced heating system designed to keep the internal parts from freezing, even in the harshest, most icy conditions. This heating system heats the engine, the fuel, and all the internal components of the vehicle, allowing the engine to run smoothly without freezing in cold weather. Neither hot nor cold weather conditions prevent this machine from working. All it takes is for this massive machine to want to work. So, can every worker operate such a massive metal structure? The answer is, of course, no. To operate the BelAZ 75710, employees must pass a BelAZ simulator test focusing on the truck's unique onboard equipment, obtain a heavy equipment operator certificate, a Class C driver's license, undergo tests assessing their reflexes, technical knowledge of engines, a psychotechnical and health report to check their mental state before driving. This entire process takes approximately 6 to 8 months. Every employee who meets the requirements earns the right to operate the world's largest truck. From then on, the person operating that truck is not just a skilled driver, but commands the greatest power on Earth. Given its powerful features, the price of the BelAZ 75710 giant truck is, of course, directly proportional to its power. The vehicle itself costs $6 million. If you need to replace a part, just changing one wheel costs $50,000. So instead of buying a brand new luxury car, you're essentially replacing just one wheel on this giant truck. Imagine how expensive it is. The entire engine system costs $1 million and filling up the tank costs around $7,000. In short, buying this giant machine is not only costly, but maintaining it is just as expensive as the purchase itself. The BelAZ 75710, an engineering marvel, not only benefits the mining environment, but also contributes to the environment and ecosystem. Capable of carrying 450 tons of load in a single trip, this truck can single-handedly transport a massive load to its destination without the need for multiple trucks, resulting in a lower carbon footprint and making technological devices like phones and computers. Therefore, its contribution to the economy and to the environment by replacing multiple trucks is significant. In addition to its significant impact on the economy and the environment in many respects, this massive truck remains an indispensable superpower for mining sites. No vehicle in the world has ever been produced to compete with the BelAZ 75710 in terms of engineering, stability, and power. This truck has no rival. Ultimately, the BelAZ 75710 is not just a truck. It is the most comprehensive and largest truck ever unleashed by humans on mining sites.